Here's Michelle with more.
Yeah, it's going to be comfortable for getting outside today, Patrick. Not quite as warm as what we had yesterday. Highs will be in the 70s, the coast, and even inland spots, but you will have a dry day. Here's our East Providence camera right now. We are only about a minute away from our sunrise as we look down to Narragansett. Not going to be able to catch much of it closer to the coastline where our skies are mainly cloudy, but further inland we do have some breaks in the clouds this morning, and the temperatures running in the lower to mid 60s today. I notice it's more comfortable to start our day than what we had yesterday. 62 in New Bedford, 64 Newport Westerly at 68 degrees. Boston right now running at 63, and Hartford's in the upper 60s. So a pleasant day. Going to lead our three key things: a lower humidity, a mix of sun and clouds. Enjoy it because that humid stretch is ahead of us. And late week, we're still tracking the potential for some widespread downpours and embedded thunderstorms in the Friday-Saturday time frame. And we'll talk more about that. Had a couple of isolated showers overnight. Those have all come to an end. Dew points, one of the ways we measure how comfortable the air is. We like to see that number near or below 60 in the summertime for that more refreshing air. We're close to it, upper 50s to lower 60s right now. So a pretty comfortable day as far as the dew points go. But look at those numbers from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Dew points running around 70 or even into the lower 70s, which feels oppressive. We are going to keep that very high humidity all the way through the weekend. So today, not a bad day for working outdoors, getting maybe some yard work done if that's on your plans for this week. Today would be the day to do it. Upper 60s by 9 o'clock in the morning, with some of the low cloud cover from early this morning giving way to some brighter skies, especially further east. Mid to upper 70s at 2 o'clock in the afternoon inland. At the coastline, we'll see highs in the lower to mid 70s. May drop back down as those southeast winds pick up some. And this is 6 o'clock in the evening. Still dry, and in most spots mainly clear, but the clouds will be on the increase as the evening and nighttime goes on. You see a little blip of green here and there to the west of us. We may get a light shower overnight. We'll talk more about that. Beaches today are dry, mix of clouds and sunshine, mid 70s. Water temperature in the upper 60s, and the surf today around 2 to 3 feet with a high UV index. Bay looks good. Winds gusting at times to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. High tides late morning, 10-14. So we're still keeping an eye on this area of low pressure. National Hurricane Center is too. It's in the southeastern United States right now, but it's expected to get back out over the water. That's what we're watching for the late week rainfall. Ahead of it, we'll get a push of warm and humid air as this front lifts back to the north as a warm front overnight tonight. Expect increasing clouds, some fog, and an isolated shower into very early tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow afternoon, we're looking mainly dry most spots. There will be some showers and thunderstorms around. I expect most of them to be into central and western Massachusetts and Connecticut. There's just a slight chance that 1 or 2 of those may make it into the northwest corner of Rhode Island. Tonight, only falling to about 68 degrees. We'll see more clouds around, isolated shower, and areas of fog developing. Here's that late week forecast. Some tropical moisture pushing in, leading to some downpours and thunderstorms by the end of Friday and Friday night, and lasting into at least part of Saturday. So right now, that's the most unsettled part of the forecast. In our 7-day here, temperatures upper 70s today, then it's highs in the 80s the rest of the week with that high humidity.